Well, hello, beautiful people. It's Bobby Denise here, and we got mail. I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the July 2021 Ivy Box. So the theme for this month's box is Winners Don't Wait for Chances. They take them. In our box for this month, we have AKA Floral Athletic Leggings, AKA Floral Athletic Tank, and AKA Athletic Short Sleeve T-shirt. So here are the Floral Leggings. As you can see, it has a beautiful pink and green and white floral pattern, green bottoms with the shield, and then look at those cute bottoms. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Next, we have the AKA Floral Athletic Tank, which matches the leggings perfectly. It has the green solid bottom with the AKA shield on the left-hand corner, and it has a racer back. And for those of you that don't like showing your arms, we got you covered. We got the AKA Athletic Short Sleeve T-shirt, which is solid pink. It has a nice short sleeve. It has the shield on the left-hand corner, and it has really, really nice detail in the back. So these are the items for the July 2021. So whether you are going to the gym, whether you are running errands, or whether you are just lounging around the house, the Ivy Box has you covered with the July 2021 Ivy Box. Winners don't wait for chances, y'all. They take them.